Hello, this is Marcus back with another quick QuickBooks video. So last time we talked about how to enter in products and services. You definitely want to check that video out because you're going to need it for this video today because we're about to learn how to create invoices. So how you create invoices is you're going to go to the plus new right here and you're going to go to invoice. And before I enter this invoice in, there's a difference between invoices and sales receipts. Let's just talk about this real briefly so you understand it. If you're not expecting payment today, so let's say you're sending an invoice out, you expect payment in 10 days from now, you want to create an invoice. But let's just say you cut somebody's grass and you're going to expect payment the same day. You'll create a sales receipt for that. So sales receipt if you're receiving the payment in the same day, invoice if you are going to be receiving the payment, 10, 15, 30 days, however long it takes them to pay you. That's the difference between that. But let's get started on how to create an invoice. So let's choose a customer. Let's just choose Diego Rodriguez. And then we got a customer email right here. And we'll just say, yeah, we get them 30 days to pay. We send the invoice out today. They got 30 days to pay. So they got till July 14th to pay us. So now let's choose our product and service, which last time we chose accounting services. And we're going to say it's for 5 hours. And we're just going to say this is monthly accounting services. Now, and remember this is non-taxable too. Now, once you save and send this, so you have a difference. You can either save and send this or save and close. If you save and send, this is going to send us directly to this email right here. And if you have your payments set up in QuickBooks where you can receive payments, they can pay you directly through their email. So you send this invoice for $350 to their email. Diego Rodriguez can pay this through his email. That's one of the nice features I do like about QuickBooks is, you can send an invoice so they can pay it directly through there, instead of having to use something else like Venmo, PayPal, Cash App, anything like that. They can pay you directly through the email. Now, there's a fee associated with it, but for the convenience, I say it's definitely worth it. So once you're done with your invoice, make sure you got everything right. You'll go to either save and close or save and send. Now, you don't have to send an invoice to their email if you don't want to. If you don't want to, you'll just click on the drop-down arrow and go to save and close. If you want to send it to them, you'll go to save and send. So let's just say we're not going to send it to them. We're just going to go to save and close. Now, if we go to sales and we go to invoices, we will see Diego Rodriguez's invoice in here. Let's see since he's not overdue yet, let's see if we can find Diego Rodriguez. Here's his invoice right here. 10/38. He has 30 days to pay us. And it tells you the date that you put it in here, which is today's date. So in a sense, that's how you create invoices. And remember, you can send the invoice through the email and they can pay you through the email. Or if you don't want to send it to the email, you can just save and close it. The choice is yours. But I'll see you in the next video. If you're enjoying these videos, please do the thumbs up. I've been teaching QuickBooks for a long time. I'm looking to get my subscribers up, so subscribe to the channel. And before you know it, you're going to be a QuickBooks expert.